How to make a map flag like this one. First, go to Google Chrome. Search whatever country you want and add blank map. Go to Images. Select one of them. Hold the picture and click Download UC. And go to IBIS Paint X. Click My Gallery UC with a paintbrush. Click Import Picture in the top. Click the image you just downloaded. Click Layer button, and click Selection Layer, and click the bucket icon and fill the blank map. Do this until it's fully filled. Fill the island of the country fully also. It might take a long time. Go to Google Chrome again. Search for the country's flag. Hold and download. Go back to IBIS Paint X. Go to Layer and click the camera icon and import the flag. Make sure it'll fully put the flag on the map. Just do it carefully. You don't have to do what I am doing the flag. Oops, this bit is not filled. After you finished, click the arrow icon and click Save as Transparent Ping. Click back to My Gallery. Click Import Picture again. Click the map flag you just made. And click the filter icon. Find Stroke Outer. Click on it. Pick the color you want. I will choose red. Click the green tick icon. After, click the bucket. Click the eraser icon. With this, remove the background. Click Save as Transparent Ping. Then you're done. Now you have your own map flag. How cool! But you want to place map flag on a map? Keep watching. Go to CapCut. Click New Project. Choose a map. Like this one. Click Add Overlay. Add your map flag. Place in the correct border. And that was it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.